As robotic welding continues to increase in most manufacturing operations, we often hear some of the same questions. Let's dive in to answer these top questions about integrating welding robots into your operation. What size of company needs a robotic welding system? There's really no certain size of company that justifies a robot. No company is too big or too small. The bigger question is, do you have a challenge to overcome? Do you need better throughput? Do you need better quality? Are you struggling to find labor? Robotic automation can solve these challenges in shops of all sizes, from small shops to major OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. Why should you consider a robotic welding system? Look at what can make you more competitive in the marketplace. Is it reducing your manufacturing costs? Improving throughput? Reducing rework? Reducing lead times? Automation can improve all of these items, making you more competitive and justifying the addition of robotic automation to your welding process. Are welding robots expensive? Start with a weld cost analysis that compares your current process to a robotic study of the same process. Compare the differences and see what your payback will be. But the real question is, what's it costing you if you don't do anything? Are you losing sales? Are you falling behind the competition? There's a lot of advantages of automating welding that outweigh the risks. When it comes to automating your welding, it's very much a question of why not?